Welcome back everyone to our channel. Today we have a fascinating topic to delve into that will help us unlock the secrets to lasting change and personal growth. It's all about the incredible book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Habits, as we all know, shape our lives. They determine our level of success, well-being, and overall happiness. But have you ever wondered how to break free from negative habits or cultivate positive ones that stick? Well, look no further. In Atomic Habits, James Clear offers us a roadmap to transform our lives, one small habit at a time. But before we jump into the chapter summary, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on personal development, productivity, and self-improvement. Chapter 4 Summary: The Man Who Did Not Look Right. In Chapter 4 of Atomic Habits by James Clear, titled The Man Who Did Not Look Right, the author introduces a powerful story to illustrate the impact of our habits on our identity and behavior. The chapter starts with the story of a man named Jerry, who struggled with his weight and overall fitness. Jerry didn't see himself as an athletic person and believed that he simply didn't have the genetics or physical capabilities to change his situation. His self-perception influenced his habits, reinforcing his belief that he could not become fit. Clear emphasizes that our habits contribute to shaping our identity. When we repetitively engage in certain behaviors, we start to develop an image of ourselves associated with those habits. In Jerry's case, his habits of inactivity and unhealthy eating reinforced his self-image as someone who was not fit. The author introduces the concept of identity-based habits, which suggests that to bring about meaningful change, we need to focus on transforming our identity first. Rather than simply relying on willpower or setting goals, Clear suggests that we need to redefine ourselves and build habits that align with the identity we want to embody. To illustrate this, Clear tells the story of a smoker who was asked if he wanted a cigarette. The smoker responded, "No thanks, I'm trying to quit." In this example, the smoker identified himself as someone who was actively trying to quit, reinforcing the desired behavior and identity change. Clear proposes that instead of focusing solely on outcomes or specific goals, individuals should shift their attention to the process and the person they want to become. By consistently taking small actions aligned with their desired identity, individuals can gradually reshape their habits and reinforce a new self-image. The chapter concludes with the idea that to create lasting change, we must start by examining and challenging our beliefs and self-perceptions. By identifying as the type of person who engages in positive habits and embodying that identity, we can create a ripple effect that leads to long-term transformation. In summary, Chapter 4 of Atomic Habits emphasizes the influence of habits on our identity and behavior. Through the story of Jerry and the concept of identity-based habits, the author highlights the importance of reshaping our self-image to align with the desired changes. By focusing on small actions and consistently reinforcing a new identity, individuals can make lasting improvements and create positive habits that support their goals. We hope you found this summary insightful and inspiring, as it reveals the profound impact our habits have on our identity and behavior. Until next time, stay inspired and keep transforming your life, one habit at a time. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. But before leaving, make sure you're liking our efforts, subscribing to our channel, and commenting your thoughts below. Good day.